What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, this is getting a little bit ridiculous. I think as we look into different cryptocurrencies, there's cryptocurrencies that are legitimate. There's cryptocurrencies, that are meme coins and maybe legit as well. There's cryptocurrencies that are basically just like money grabs. There may be some other categories that are there, but as I compare the three, it's crazy to me that there's always something that has a little bit of popularity and they always create something new just to build off of that popularity, or at least not even build off of it, but try and capture the audience and use it for their own financial gain. And others can be a part of this and make money throughout the process, but it's a very, very tricky thing to do because you're basically looking at this position, which is different than the previous position that it had, or the first iteration of this position, and you're trying to gain just as much money as what the first one did, right? If the first one grows to a $1 billion market cap, you're hoping that this new one will go to a $1 billion market cap. Well, as we saw with Pepe, you had Pepe 1 that went to a $1.6 billion market cap. Then you had Pepe 2 that went to like a $60 billion or $60 million market cap. Then you had Pepe 3 that went to like a $10 million, $20 million market cap or something like that, right? So you're seeing all these different things that are created, and now I'm seeing things like SHIB 2. And I'm seeing things like what we're talking about today, which is XRP2. Now, I don't want to spend a crazy amount of time saying that this is a position or going over this position, because it kind of brings to light that this is being created and people end up investing and hoping that it's going to take off just like XRP. This video is more or less to warn people of these type of plays. If you see things that are up a hell of a lot, don't make a move into it expecting it to grow by 10,000%. If it does, then you miss that opportunity. That's okay. It's okay to miss it, because a lot of times it'll go the opposite way and you will lose all your money. So if you are going to find a way to invest, you have to invest very, very sparingly and very cautiously. Just assume that that money is going to be gone. So invest that money as if you're putting it into a failing restaurant. Like it is gone. So if you want to lose $1,000, then you put $1,000 in there. If you want to lose $100, then you put $100 in there. I just want to make sure that people protect themselves before all of this gets out as something way bigger than what it is. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the links that are in the description. It does help out the channel. The reason why I'm creating this is because it's not only how different people that are creating cryptocurrencies, brand new cryptocurrencies, were going after meme coins that had no type of use case. Now, no type of use case developed. They have a potential to build a use case, but they have nothing developed, right? So they're going after these projects, but now they're basically mocking or mirroring these projects that actually have a use case and have potential to be, way bigger than anything that we've seen, right? XRP and their predictions talk about how this can get to $100 price or $1,000 price or $100,000 per coin, because how heavily it's going to be used. So the fact that you're creating a XRP2 could confuse a lot of people, where people are like, oh, this is a cheaper market cap, let me get into this. And then the person that made that is now making a ton of money off of people that are confused. So anyways, like I said, you have XRP that's $37.4 billion worth of a market cap with $822 million that's going into it. And now you have this that has been taking off, which is XRP2. It doesn't state what the market cap is because the circulating supply isn't really updated, but you can look at the fully diluted market cap, and what they say the price is here. You're seeing this at 88K of a market cap, which essentially, with millions of dollars that's flowing into it, you could see this pop up to $1 million market cap, $2 million market cap, and see your overall position grow a hell of a lot. So people look at this as an opportunity. They're like, well, if I buy into this play, I could gain 100x right now. I could gain, 200x, 1000x, whatever. And that's not false. I'm not saying that you wouldn't be able to do that, because $6.7 million into a project that is not really or not really the project that you were hoping to get into, right? XRP. But being a part of XRP2, it's just literally a way to gain money for not only the developers but also the early investors, whoever the early investors are. So let me see this real breakdown really quick. So XRP 2.0 is a cutting edge cryptocurrency that embodies the essence of the technology innovation. XRP 2.0 combined advanced blockchain technology with state of the art encryption algorithms to create a secure and decentralized digital currency. Platform is designed to provide users with lightning fast transactions, enhanced privacy features, and unparalleled scalability. XRP 2.0 believes in empowering users by eliminating intermediaries, ensuring trustless transactions, and promoting a transparent, community-driven ecosystem. It so I mean, this is something that really, like, it kind of bothers me, right? Because I mean, you're creating something that doesn't really need to be, I wouldn't say it doesn't really need to be improved upon. Because XRP is XRP, and what it's going to be is something way bigger than what you've seen in a lot of other cryptocurrencies. You can argue and say that Bitcoin or whatever your position, your top position is, will be bigger than XRP, but you can probably see that XRP is going to have a major impact on the overall market. So XRP 2.0 literally is just creating, I guess, gains for people. So if you are a person that's looking for maybe something that could be the next thing to take off, right? I'm not saying that this will be it, but it will show up within your scanner, it will show up within your feed because it's up 512%. Now, it could be up a lot more, but if you are, I want people to be very cautious, because I know people are going to invest into this, whether they like it or not. People are going to invest into it. And as we are talking, it went from being up like 200% or something to up to 500%. So you're definitely seeing volume, money that's going into this, and the overall price is picking up as well. Seeing it at a fully diluted market cap of $102,000. Again, I wanted to put this out here because I want people to be cautious. If you're going to invest something in there, if you're going to put $10 or $20 in there, or $100 in there, make sure that you look at it as if you lost money, right? That money is gone. It will never come back. So just think of this as throwing your money in the trash. And then if you do make something out of it, then you'll be happy. If you lose everything, you won't be upset because you expected to lose all of it. So I'm not saying it's a completely trash position, but I can't speak position. But I just want people to be cautious whenever they see these type of positions, because again, there's a SHIB 2.0, there's a Pepe 2.0, a Pepe 3.0, but this is kind of the first one that I've seen, and maybe there is something of a Bitcoin 2.0 or Ethereum 2.0 or something like that, which technically Ethereum of what it is a 2.0, but still, you're seeing a XRP 2.0 that I just want people to be very, very cautious if they are going to invest even as little as $10 into it, because it is at $100,000 market cap with millions of dollars that are going into it. I would definitely say that it has a chance to push up to these levels of like $1 million of a market cap, which means $10 could turn into 100. But again, be very, very cautious, very, very fearful of what could happen. And if you're putting $10, just assume that $10 is gone. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this. Is it something where it's just a cash grab? Let me know your opinion. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.